Welcome to Maths class, and we're doing question 2. That's geometric sequence. Those are the entries, and we need to find the ratio r. And remember that they say the r has to be greater than 0, which is a positive value. And from there, we look at the terms that we're given. We are given terms that we need to require. So is our ratio is t2 over t1, which is also equal to that is t3 over t2. So the two consecutive ratios, that's t1, t2, t3, 3x minus 1, and t2 is going to be x plus 3 all over x is equals to 3x minus 1 all over x plus 3. So that's t2 over t1, and then you cross multiply. That will be x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 once again, and then you're going to have the x times the brackets. It's going to be x multiplied by 3x minus 1, and then we expand, so it's x times x squared, x times 3 3x, x 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times 3, that will be positive 9. So that will be equal to 3 times 3x, that's 3x squared, and then we have 3 times negative 1, that's negative x. So what we do, we bring the like terms together. That will be 3x squared, and then that makes 6x. So we take the x squared to the right, becomes negative. Then we have negative 6x there, and we take it to the right side, and then we have 9 to the right, becomes negative 9, and then everything is to the right, so to the left is 0. And then we simplify. 3x squared times x squared is going to be 2x squared, and then you have that negative x, negative 6x, negative 7x, and negative 9 is equals to 0. And then we know that coefficient of x squared times constant is negative 18. So we find the factors of 18 is 2, 9, 3 into 9 is 3, 3 into 3, 1. So 3 times 3 is 9, so we're going to have 9 times 2. So it's 2x squared minus 9x plus 2x. That is negative 9 is equals to 0. So we align them. We can see that 2x squared will match with plus 2x, and then negative 9x will match with negative 9, so plus 2x, just interchanging 9 and 2, so that's going to be negative 9x. Negative 9 is equals to 0. Then from there you're going to say we factor the first 2, so that's going to be 2x into x, 2x squared, that will be x, and then 2x into 2x will be 1, and then we copy that part, x plus 1, that's going to be x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then we're going to have negative 9, so we have that as our factor as well, so as x plus 1, we factor it out. When we cancel that out, we're left with negative 9 and 2x. So we're going to have 2x minus 9 is equals to 0, and that means that we have x plus 1 is equals to 0, or you have 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. So that means you're going to have x is equals to negative 1, or you have 2x is equals to positive 9. So dividing both sides by 2, so x is 9 over 2. So that's it. and that's our final answer. But then we're not done, because we need to find the ratio. Our ratio is x plus 3 over x. So x plus 3 over x, and then for, let's say, for x is equals to -1, let's check. R is going to be -1 plus 3 over -1, so that's going to be 2 over -1. R is -2. And then for, let's say, x is equals to 9 over 2, we're going to have R is equals to 9 over 2 plus, we get 3 there, so that's plus, okay, so 3 over 1, you can see the base is 2 times 2 over 2, so that gives us 6 over 2. That gives us 3, so nothing changes, so it's 6 over 2, because 9 over 2, our base is 2, and then that's divided by x, that is 9 over 2. That will mean that we have the same base, then we just add the numerator. Then we have 15 over 2 divided by 9 over 2, because 9 plus 6 is 15, and then that will mean is 15 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 9, so the 2 cancels out and we have 15 over 9, and then 3 into 9 is 3, 3 into 15 is 5, so that will mean we have 5 over 3 is equals to R. So we know that R is not equal to -2. The reason, because we need a positive ratio, so our ratio is going to be greater than 0. So for greater than 0, we need a positive one, so R is going to be 5 over 3 and not -2. So that's our final answer. I just want to thank everybody. Okay, so before that, we got step 1 there, we define the ratio. Step 2, we cross multiply. Step 3, we simplify. That'll be, I think, at step 4. Step 4, we simplify further, and then step 5, we actually factorize. Step 6, we find value for x. Step 7, we substitute x value to find our ratio, and step 8 is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and this is your tutor Black Adam. And if you have any comments, please leave below, and don't forget to subscribe for more similar questions. Thank you so much.